In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format a table in Excel to better organize and analyze your data. By the end, you'll have a clean, structured table that makes your information easier to read and far more powerful to work with. Start by clicking any cell inside your dataset. This tells Excel where your list begins. Before you move on, it helps to make sure your data is arranged in a solid block, with no completely blank rows or columns running through the middle. Clear labels at the top of each column are ideal because they'll become your table headers. Next, go to the Home tab and choose Format as Table. This command doesn't just add color, it applies a smart structure that Excel understands, unlocking features that plain ranges don't have. When the gallery opens, pick a table style that fits your data and the look you want. Higher contrast styles can make long lists easier to scan, while lighter styles keep things subtle if you're presenting or printing. Excel will automatically detect the cell range it thinks your table should cover. Take a moment to review the highlighted area and make sure every row and column you need is included, without extra blank space. If something's off, adjust it right there so the table contains exactly the data you intend to manage. If your dataset includes column headers, confirm that the My Table has headers option is selected, then click OK. Headers are the labels at the top of your columns like date, product, or amount. Marking them as headers ensures those labels are treated as headings, not as data, and it gives you clear filter and sort controls for each column. Your data is now converted into a table. You'll notice banded rows for readability, drop-down arrows on each header for quick filtering and sorting, and consistent formatting that keeps everything aligned. As you add new rows or columns, the table expands automatically, so your formatting and any formulas stay in sync without extra work. Calculations applied to one row can fill down the entire column, making updates faster and reducing errors. This makes it much easier to filter, sort, and analyze all the information at once. You can focus on just the entries you need, reorder values to find highs and lows, and keep your layout clean as your dataset grows. It's a small change that delivers big clarity. Simple and effective. Now you know how to create and format a table in Excel, turning a basic list into a well-organized, analysis-ready dataset.